Okay, so I've put in my sample text, but I want to be able to write what's in it. So we're going to double click on the text and it's going to pop up for us here. And this gives us some different options, like color options. We can change this to black so we can actually see the text. So something you want to be careful with your text is to make sure that you can see it with your background. All right. So like here, this is still pretty hard to see, and sometimes you can move around, so it's a little bit better to see different spots. So maybe this isn't the best picture for me to use for this video, so I'm gonna have to pick a different one so I can actually see the text, or I can try playing with the colors to find a text that might work a little bit better, be a little bit easier to read. You can change the size of the text somewhere. You can bold it, you can, italic, underline, you can change the style of the text here, and then what you want in here can go in here. You'll see it change over here on the right side for you. So depending on like what you want to do for that, size is right here. Sorry, I just realized that. So you can change the size of your text here. Line height, spacing of like the words and things like that, I'll be here. You can even change the alignment to like a center line, left align, however you want there. And then you just click Save Changes and it saves it for you, and look, there it is. And as you are going through and you're like, hey, you know what? I want to see how my video looks. If you just hit the space bar, it'll start playing the video for you. And then you can actually see what the video looks like as it is going. You hit spacebar again, it'll stop it for you. Now let's say you have a video going, like let's say right here. We have a video going, but I don't want to use the entire video. Well, you can edit it. Not with that one. You can edit, you can like cut things. So like, let's say I wanted to get rid of this small section right here, right? So make sure you've selected it. If you get a cut, it'll make a cut, and let's say I want to get rid of right here. I'll cut here, and then I can delete this section, and now that's gone, and I can put this right back in. All right, so you can cut out different sections as well. You can also add transitions. Again, use the standard, don't use additional, or ones that are considered premium. So like I'm just going to do this crossfade, and I'm going to select and put where I want in the video, normally between pictures or between videos. I can put it there, and then you can test out, hey, how does that look? So like if I hit spacebar, oh, maybe you don't see it because this is the exact same picture, but you can put those in there and create transitions, which are kind of cool. Those are the basics for WeVideo. When you get to the end and say my whole video is done, I'm ready to go, we go up here, we hit finish. You can name your video, like water project. We'll go with that for this name. And then you're going to want to keep it at SD. You have to upgrade to do this one, and then I would pick your Google Drive, which you'll ask you to sign in for, and then after that you'd hit export. Now I'm not going to export because with a free account you only get to export I think 5 minutes total of video a month or a year, one of those two. So I'm not going to be exporting that right now, but just know that you have that, and then you'll have it exported into your Google Drive, and then you can take that file and add it onto Google Classroom and be able to turn that in as your video. But only do this export and finish part once you know you have completely finished your video. All right, guys. So that's how you use WeVideo and a couple of the different features there. You can always play more around with the program to find out more. All right. See you guys later.